In Python, def is a keyword used to define a function. Functions are a way to encapsulate code into reusable blocks. Here's a basic example of how to use def to create a function. Python. Def greet, name. Print, hello, name. In this example, def is the keyword that tells Python you are defining a function. Greet is the name of the function. Name is the parameter that the function takes. The code block within the function is indented and contains the statements that are executed when the function is called. You can call this function by passing an argument, like so. Python. Greet, Alice. This will output hello, Alice. Functions can also return values using the return statement. Python. Def add a, b. Return a plus b, result equals add 3, 5. Print, result. This will output 8. In summary, def is used to define functions, allowing you to create reusable pieces of code that can accept parameters and optionally return values.